up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know we've been lacking a little bit of content, especially for the NSX, but we've been waiting on some parts. Reason is I decided to do a couple upgrades. I'm sure you already saw in a previous video that we did the upgrade on the fuel rails. So now my injectors that I ordered some 775 fuel injector clinics, and we're gonna go ahead and put those in, put the fuel rails in today. And if time allows, we'll go ahead and put our new 3.5 bar map sensor came in and our fuel pressure regulator. We'll see if I have enough time to get all that done today, but that is the plan. Now that we know the issue was tuning on my end, that I accidentally loaded the old tune, didn't even realize it. That got me to think, you know what, let me just go ahead and upgrade the things that I want to right off the bat, and then we'll go ahead and restart and just put a brand new tune from scratch. That way I know exactly what injectors I have, I know exactly what sensors we're using. It's not a older map sensor from 1994, so we'll get that taken care of. So that's what we're going to work on today a little bit. First, we're going to go ahead and zap this intake manifold off of here, get that off so we can access the injectors that are currently in there. Check that out, baby. Yeah. We are ready to put our AN lines in there, which I do have to fabricate. So that's going to end up having to wait for a little while before we do our lines. Still got to do that map sensor hookup and rewire. More than likely, I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. This little bit right here, I'm already tired. So you wouldn't think of it, but yeah, I'm tired. Plus, it's about to rain. It gets super loud in here when it starts raining. So I head home, grab my dinner for the day, and then tomorrow we're going to go ahead and work on getting these lines made, put everything back together. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. I will catch you on the next one.